Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. We live in a complex world. The complexity of the world we live in can be understood only if we understand how things work around us, most especially in the spiritual world. Our world is in spirit and physical. In this video, I will be sharing with you what you need to know about Ìyá mi Òṣòròǹgà, meaning mysterious mother, also known as Ẹlẹ́yẹ, which means the owners of sacred beds. I know so many people have questions lingering in their minds about who Ìyá is in Ifa religion. Get yourself comfortable as you add to the wealth of your knowledge in Yoruba Ìṣẹ̀ṣe religion in this video. Who are the Ìyá? Generally, Ìyá or Ìyá as you may wish to call it, are a combination of two words. One, Ìyá, and two, mi, meaning Ìyá means mother, while mi means mine. So, Ìyá literally means my mother. Is a Yoruba term of respect and affection used to describe a woman of African ancestry who is considered to be an Aje, a woman who holds countless mysterious creative, biological, spiritual, and cosmic powers. Before this is broken down, I hope you are aware that there is an Odu among the 16 major Odus of Ifa in Ifa religion that is dedicated to Ìyá or Ẹlẹ́yẹ as you may wish to call it. In this Odu, it explains in details the role of Ìyá on earth and why Ìyá should be respected. This Odu is Ọ̀sàméjì, Ọ̀sà Ẹlẹ́yẹ. In the Odu Ifa Ọ̀sàméjì, Ifa explains what happened between the Ìyá and human beings. When humans and birds came to the earth called Ayé from the sky, known as Ọ̀run, they made the sacred promise that they will never ever kill each other. Time passed by, human beings became hungry because there wasn't food for them, and so they started to die one by one. Eshu came to humans and put in their minds That's why they were dying with so many birds around. Humans decided to break the promise and started to kill the birds and eat them. The Eleye became very furious and went to Olodumare, who said that human beings were guilty. And since that moment, the Eleye or Iyami will have the power to interfere in the human's life and do what they want with them. Human beings broke the promise. They broke the equilibrium, and now they need Iyami's favor to avoid negativities. Yes, since then, human beings need Iyami's favor to avoid negativities. This is exactly where the bone of contention lies. The Iyami, according to the belief of Yoruba traditional believers, since the time the equilibrium was broken, are neutral forces, which means they can work for both positive and negative forces. I want you to take a special look at the word mother, which in this context and in Yoruba language called Iya, Iyami, my mother. As you know, in this context, one's mother can be harsh or loving. When one misbehaves, mother can be harsh and vice versa. If you are the type that live a life of I don't care, stubbornness, and step on people's toes as you want, life can teach you in a hard way, which of course what everyone hates to experience. Iyami are respected creatures. They cannot be destroyed or taken away from this world. Rather, we should appeal to them to let us live our lives with the aid of Babalawo, that is, Ifa priest, to plead for us through Ebo called sacrifice, should in case things are going wrong from their end. A saying says, prevention is better than cure. It is better to live a life that is aligned with your Ori, for you to be protected and guided against misfortunes from Iyami. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.